Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to deep dive the topic of defined requirements. Let's get started. Now, we delve into a crucial phase of the software development lifecycle, that is, the defined requirements phase. This phase serves as the cornerstone upon which the entire development process is built. It's the stage where we meticulously outline what the software system must accomplish and the constraints it must adhere to. Imagine constructing a building without a blueprint or a clear understanding of its purpose. That's what software development would be like without defining requirements. This phase is all about clarifying the objectives of the project and translating them into tangible specifications that guide the development team throughout the process. As its essence, defining requirements is about capturing the needs, desires, and expectations of all stakeholders involved in the project, whether it's the end users, client, or business owners. Their input is invaluable in shaping the final product. Through interviews, workshops, and collaboration sessions, we gather insights into what functionalities the software should have and how it should behave. But defining requirements goes beyond just listing features. It's about understanding the problem domain and the context in which the software will be used. We need to consider factors such as user demographics, business processes, regulatory requirements, and technological constraints. This holistic approach ensures that the software not only meets functional needs but also aligns with broader organizational goals. Moreover, the defined requirements phase is where we prioritize and validate requirements. Not all features are created equal, and it's essential to differentiate between must haves and nice to haves. By prioritizing requirements based on their importance and feasibility, we can ensure that the development effort is focused on delivering the most value to the end users. Validation is another critical aspect of this phase. We need to ensure that the requirements are clear, unambiguous, and achievable. This often involves creating prototypes, mock ups, or proof of concepts to validate our understanding of the stakeholders' needs. By involving stakeholders early in the validation process, we can address any misunderstandings or discrepancies before they escalate into costly errors later in the development cycle. Furthermore, defining requirements is an iterative process. As the project progresses and new insights emerge, requirements may evolve or change. It's essential to have mechanisms in place to manage these changes effectively while minimizing disruption to the development timeline and budget. To summarize above discussion, this phase is critical for converting the information gathered during the planning and analysis phase into clear requirements for the development team. This process guides the development of several important documents, such as a software requirement specification, which is also known as SRS, a use case document, and a requirement traceability matrix document. Here are the steps in defining requirements. The first step includes identifying the stakeholders. The stakeholders then organize the information into a list of requirements. They are then documented concisely. It consists of descriptions of relevant diagrams and visual aids. In the next lecture, we will learn the design phase. Take care. To get support, join our Discord channel JNK Classroom. Thank you. I will see you in the next lecture.